the Ajax Hive Ninja. It's every beauty character event for you. But first we need an unusual place to be born, such as a submarine or a pumpkin patch.
Porta potty!
Once again, we're in the second half. Maybe you forgot the whistle means stop with the noise. Something to think about anyway. Ajax, you asked for an unusual place to be born, and you got a beehive. An unusual place to be born, and they got a beehive. We'll see this evening.
I'm Buzz Bob. I'm at the press conference today because I will be retiring from the world beekeeping job. I know it's making a shock to a lot of you, but I am willing to take a couple questions.
Sir, why are you vibrating so vigorously?
Well, born in a beehive, there's always something to be done. And well, this is just what happens.
How does that happen exactly?
Let me take you back to where it all started. Right in this big beehive with glistening honey, and it was sticky and sweet, and all these bees buzzing around, and all of a sudden, the honeycomb one day, it burst! I was vibrating everywhere. It was insane, the energy pulsating through me. I just always had to be doing something. I repaired the beehive, I had to put the honeycomb back to where I found it to please the queen. And you see, now that I've grown a bit old, I just can't buzz as much as I once used to.
I have a question.
Yes.
What would you say was the highest point of your life?
The highest point of my life? That must have been paintball. It was a battlefield out there. My teammates, my fellow bees, we were being hit from left and right. Everyone was dropping like flies. To see them fall. But I got up, and like lightning, I was moving across. I shot them down, and I resurrected my teammates. They were there with me, because it's not a victory unless you're with the colony. That was my highest point.
Sir, what's that tattoo on your arm for?
This tattoo?
Yes.
Behave? Back in high school, I used to be a pretty mean-looking guy, okay? When I got but I didn't have any milk. I mouthed that stuff without the milk and everyone gave me the weirdest looks. Ooh, I was vibing, I couldn't stay still. So I went to woodshop and I got to work. I built the craziest designs, the weirdest inventions, and they all worked and I made sure of it. It worked as like a team, as a hive mind. And I made sure that it was the best work that I could do to please the queen.
Hello!
Yeah.
Hello!
Yeah.
I'm from the International Chinese News. What was the lowest part of your life?
Lowest part of my life?
Yeah!
Lowest part of my life?
Yeah!
Well, way back in university, I had to go to a library. And all I had to do was jitter, and I was just getting these weird looks from everybody. You can build? What are you going to build in the library? I tried to build a book tower, and then Jake blew it over. So much low energy before, and I just couldn't be contained like that. So I vowed never to go in such a secluded place. I wanted to be surrounded by friends. I always had to be moving.
Buzzing Bob, last question.
Yeah.
What are your plans for retirement?
My plans for retirement, I'm going to open up an airfield. And I'm going to build the airplanes. And I'd like to have all of you help me with that.
Okay.
Please come to my airfield.